Good morning, everybody. I've recorded a quick video this morning just to show you and support mums and dads with helping you with our morning maths activities. So I thought we'll pick out a few of the key questions here and we'll work through the methods together so that I can explain to your parents how we do them. We're going to start with question 1. So question 1, 536 subtract or take away or minus 228. When we look at a 3-digit subtracted from a 3-digit number, we would always tend to use our column method. Now, there's a few really important parts to our column method, which is I'm going to demonstrate on the whiteboard now. The first thing, when we're recording our question, is we write the question up. So we've got 536 subtract 228. Now, our column method, we've got a 3-digit number, therefore we'd have 3 columns. We'll have a hundreds column, a tens column, and a ones column. Now we're going to write our subtraction calculation in as it appears. So we've got 536. It's really important that the right numbers are in the right columns, otherwise the children will get errors in their calculating. We are subtracting 228. And then we put our big expanded equal signs at the bottom. So our calculation would still read 536 subtract 228. Now, with our column method, we always start with our ones. And it's really important to use that terminology when we're working them out. So our first step of the calculation would be 6 subtract 8. Now, we know that we can't subtract 8 from 6. If we had 6 sweets, we can't possibly take 8 away. So what we need to do now is we need to borrow from the next column. So we need to borrow a 10. At the minute, we have 3 tens. So we have 1, 2, 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. We're going to borrow one of those tens. And we indicate that on here. I always try and draw it like this to imagine that that's the 10 over here. Now, because we've borrowed one of those tens, there are only 2 left. So now our calculation is 16 subtract 8. 16 take away 8 is 8. Some children will notice at this point that you could use your doubles, you could use your inverse. So 8 plus 8 is 16, so 16 take away 8 is 8. Next we move on to our tens column. We've got 2 tens left. If we take away both of those 2 tens, we have no tens. So 2 tens subtract 2 tens is 0 tens. And the last column we do is our hundreds now to finish our calculation. So 500 subtract 200 equals 300. So the answer to our first calculation is 308.